Alright guys, finally got my camera in. We're going to take a little bit more of a look around of the 2011 Mustang GT. Get in here. Let's see. Been waiting to put up a better video because I've only been able to record 30 seconds. I've been using my phone, but get it out of the garage here and take a little bit better look around at it. And of course we got to pop the hood. It's a little dirty now. There we go. Definitely gonna have to get a couple upgrades. Roush makes a cold air intake for it. That's a little bit bigger intake, add a few horsepower. All in all, I really love the car. It's just a regular premium GT. The only thing that was optional was the wheels, the 19-inch wheels. They come with Pirelli P0s. You can get a optional rear end gear, which I didn't get because this was actually on a lot. I didn't order it. Probably about 20 miles from my house, it was sitting on a lot, and it was the only one I'd seen on a lot. So I decided instead of ordering one, I wanted to go ahead and get one. Of course, 6-speed. You got your controls there, controls on the steering wheel. Interior is just like a 2010. Maybe cup holders that light up and stuff. But let's get to the exhaust. Definitely going to have to get a pipes exhaust for it, or the new Borla Attack sounds really sick. But I'm not really wanting to throw $1,000 into a catback system right now. But we'll listen to the stock exhaust. Let's see. But anyway, we'll get a little bit more of a ride on down the road.